In this video, we're going to show you how to remove your old serpentine belt and correctly install a new one. Let's get to it. You might want to replace your serpentine belt because it's broken, worn, or squeaking, and we're going to show you how. Replacing a serpentine belt is super easy, and all you need is a new belt and some basic tools. But before you take it off, make sure you know how the belt runs over the pulleys. Either take a couple of pictures with your phone or look for a diagram in your car's owner's manual or under the hood so you know how to install the new one. Before you do anything else, make sure the engine is off and the fan is not spinning. You can easily lose a finger or worse. To take the serpentine belt off, you need to remove the tension from the tensioner pulley. On newer cars, finding the tensioner pulley is easy. Just pull or push hard on the belt and the pulley will move slightly because it uses a spring to keep tension. But on older cars, you have to look for a smaller pulley like this that's mounted on a bracket with a long adjuster bolt at the top. On a manually adjusted system, you first need to slightly loosen the tensioner pulley bolt. Just put a wrench with the right size socket on there, crack it loose and give it a few turns. No need to remove it completely. Then remove the tension by loosening this adjuster bolt on top, which will slide the pulley away from the belt. But as you can see here, there's very little space to move our wrench, which would normally make it very difficult to work. However, this special wrench is a real lifesaver because it not only works as a regular wrench, but it also has a handle that you can twist in either direction and the socket will rotate. We've put a link to all the products we used in the description below so you can easily find them. Then loosen the bolt and you'll see the pulley move away from the belt, reducing the tension. On automatic tensioners, you only need to put a belt tensioner tool like this on the pulley to remove the tension from the spring. It's a much easier system. And with the tension removed, you can now slide the belt off the pulleys and take it off. When buying a new belt, size is very important, as is the amount of ribs. Belt sizes are generally indicated with two types of codes, either a numeric code which includes the length in inches or a PK number with the length in millimeters. The first number is a brand-specific number and isn't important. 5 is a Daco belt. The next two numbers are the amount of ribs, so 6 ribs. And the final numbers are the length in inches down to 1/10 of an inch, so 92.3 inches long. The metric number is very similar. The first digit is the amount of ribs, followed by PK, which means it is a metric indication and following the industry standard. The last number is the length in millimeters, so 2,345. It's that easy. If you're not sure how long your new belt needs to be and you can't measure the old one, grab a piece of rope and trace the path of the belt. And just measure the rope and you've got the approximate measurements. Then, with the new belt, verify the correct belt routing and install it. This might be a bit tricky sometimes, but you'll get there. A trick you can remember is that grooved pulleys need to touch the grooved side of the belt, and smooth pulleys need to touch the flat side of the belt. With the belt correctly installed, you need to manually tighten it like on our Jeep if your car doesn't have an automatic tensioner. Tighten the tensioner bolt until you feel a good amount of tension on the belt and you can only twist it 90 degrees. If you can easily move it up and down and twist it further, you need to tighten it some more. Finally, with the belt at the correct tension, you only need to tighten the tensioner pulley bolt and you're done. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to replace your serpentine belt. Thanks for watching. More videos are on the way, so be sure to like, comment, and share this video. It really helps us out a lot. Our content wouldn't be possible without the amazing support of our patrons and YouTube channel members, whose crew you can join via the links in the description to see our schedule, vote on future videos, get behind the scenes sneak peeks, and much more. This is Classic Car Maintenance, and we'll see you on the next one.